Shri Manjunataya Namaha, S.D.M College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Team Alpha, presenting interview experience sessions. Hello guys, today we are having Mr. Rohan Deodurg with us. Hello Rohan,
Hi Surat.
how are you?
Fine Surat. How about you?
Yeah, I am also good Rohan. Heartily congratulations that you have selected in Mindtree Campus Recruitment 2022.
Yeah Surat. Thank you. Thank you
Uh,
very much.
yes Rohan, without wasting much time, shall we move to our session?
Yeah, we can proceed.
Yes, Rohan, tell me how you came to know about that Mindtree is recruiting freshers.
I got to know about Mindtree off-campus drive from one of my friend. Uh, he
Okay.
informed me that Mindtree is hiring freshers. So later he sent the link and I filled that link. In that link, it consists
Okay.
of details like they will they will be asking our personal details.
Yes, Rohan, you told that it's an off-campus drive, and you received one link, and you filled that link. They asked the basic details, right?
Yes. And
Yes.
even they asked
Whether
to affix the resume.
okay, okay, Ganesh. Whether there is a procedure called as a profile shortlisting in Mindtree.
Uh, okay, there is no profile shortlisting, but while filling the details in link, they have some criteria of CGPA. Like
Okay.
CGPA should be above 7 pointer.
Okay. Whether they put any cutoff for a 10th and 12th.
Yes, Surat. For both, they kept a cutoff around 70%, as I remember.
Okay, fine. Okay, after your application, when you got the exam link, like a first round exam link,
After my application, I got exam link in the January month.
okay, in the month of Jan, you got the exam link.
Yes, I got.
Yes, fine. Yes, we'll move to the first round of exam. Okay, just tell me the pattern, how the exam will be, whether they ask only aptitude or whether they asked any technical stuff, coding, etc.
Yeah, first round was online aptitude exam. Round one of
Okay,
Mindtree interview process is it consists of aptitude, like logical reasoning,
okay,
verbal, and coding. And this round was conducted in
okay.
AMCAT platform.
Okay, you mentioned that the platform is AMCAT. Whether it is audio proctored, video proctored, like how was the exam environment?
Yes. There were three kinds of proctor were applied. First
Okay,
proctor is screen, where when we start the exam, the screen will be in the full screen mode. During the entire
okay,
duration of exam, we cannot switch to other taskbar.
okay,
And the
okay,
second
fine.
one is
Yes,
video proctoring, uh,
okay,
where there should be no person sitting next to us. This is the highly restricted restrictions they have applied in the rules. And the
okay,
third one is audio proctoring. If any
okay.
high voice is recognized, it will be giving warning.
Yes, Rohan. Overall, it is a audio proctored, video proctored, and a screen proctored, and they are using AI, right? Artificial intelligent mechanism, okay, to conduct the exams.
Yes.
Okay, fine,
Yes, Surat.
fine, Rohan. Like, what are the suggestions that you want to give to juniors so that they can prepare for some of the important topics and they can clear the first round of mind?
Uh, According to me, they asked questions related to both, like
Okay,
aptitude. They should prepare very well before they entering into the final year,
yeah,
and even they can focus on coding sections because most of the companies they keep coding sections.
yeah. Yes, Rohan, you told that aptitude is very important. Like in aptitude, there are some topics like blood relations or permutation and combinations, problem on trains, okay, which are the important topics to clear the Mindtree exam.
Yeah, in Mindtree exam, it consists of two sections for aptitude,
Okay,
and each section consists of 25 questions.
okay,
In logical reasoning, they covered multiple topics, like mainly they focused on probability, speed and
okay,
distance,
yeah,
problems on train, simple interest,
yeah.
and so on. So, like they covered around 15 to 20 topics.
Okay, fine. The means basic aptitude is necessary to clear the first round.
Yes, yes, Surat. We need to have basic concept knowledge.
Yes, Rohan. Yes, you have successfully completed the first round. After how many days you got the result that you have cleared the first round of Mindtree?
Uh, After around 15 to 20 days, I got the second round mail,
Okay.
in which they mentioned that you have cleared the first round and you are now eligible for our interview process.
Okay, yes, Rohan, you mentioned that it's an interview process. Okay, when we heard about interview process, there are different kinds of interviews, like a technical interview, and some companies conduct technical plus managerial and a technical plus HR. Okay, like which kind of interview Mindtree is conducting?
For the year 2022, they are
Okay.
conducting technical plus HR interview.
Okay, it is a both combination of HR and a technical.
Yes, Surat.
Yes, Rohan. We'll move to the your technical interview. Okay, which are the concepts they asked in your technical interview?
In technical interview, they mainly focused on software field because
Okay,
based on the job role that they were providing, they were looking for the software engineer.
okay,
So, as I mentioned in my resume, that I am familiar with basics of C programming, data structure.
okay,
So, they focused mainly on asking programming questions. Like,
okay.
okay,
Yes, continue, Rohan.
like in C programming, they asked questions on basics of stack, queue,
Okay,
pointers, and some pseudocodes they asked.
okay. Rohan, whether they asked any OOPS concepts, object-oriented programming?
Yes, yes, Suraj. We need to be very familiar with the OOPS concept also because
Okay,
they will check our knowledge whether we are knowing the some basic concepts or no. They will not ask us
okay,
in briefly.
okay. As you told, the job role is for a software engineer, but you are from a EC background. Okay, whether they asked any EC related stuff?
Yeah, yeah. They even asked me that what are your favorite subjects in your academics
Okay,
with respect to your E&C branch.
okay. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is digital circuits.
Okay. Okay. I think when you told that your favorite subject is a digital circuit, they went on asking digital part, right?
Yeah, yeah. They asked some basics like not gate and gate,
Okay.
like basic gates they asked, and they even asked about multiplexer and
Okay.
flip flops. They covered almost all the basic concepts in the interview process.
Yes, Rohan. Which are the suggestions or which are the important topics that we need to learn to crack the interview process of mind?
Yeah, according to me, they asked questions related to both academic questions and technical questions.
Okay.
And once before we going to the interview, we need to revise all the basic concepts which all we learned, so that
Okay.
in the interview they will be mainly focusing on the basic things. Like they will be checking whether you are familiar with basics or no, and
Okay.
how well you will interact. Communication skills will be seen. So
Okay.
before attending any of the interview, we need to uh, be familiar with all the basic concepts which we all be learning in our throughout academics. It
Okay.
may be about our branch related or something else.
Yes, Rohan. I think we should be having very good grip on basics of aptitude basis of C programming or a software related part, right?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yes, Rohan, and as it is a technical plus HR, okay, which are the HR questions they ask to you in the interview?
In interview they asked about me in details, like
Okay,
what does my family, what is my, what I, from where I come from, and
okay,
what is my father's occupation, and
okay,
family background details they asked.
okay,
And even they asked, are you ready to relocate, and some basic
okay,
they will ask.
okay, some basic HR questions.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, finally you have completed your interview process. Then, how many days it took your evaluation, and when you got the result that you are selected in Mindtree?
Yeah, as it was off-campus drive, it took around
Okay,
10 to 15 days to announce the results.
okay,
So they said to wait for few days until the results will be announced. And I got
okay,
around 20 days after I
okay.
got the results.
After your interview, it took nearly 20 days to announce the results.
Yes, Surat.
Yeah, fine, Rohan. Yes, I think I am completed with my questions. Okay, do you want to add any some more points to the juniors regarding this mandatory recruitment process?
Yes, yes. Not only mentor recruitment process, in
Okay,
throughout their placements, before placement starts in the final
okay,
year, all will be thinking whether I will be placed or not, and what next, what I should do, whether I should take anything extra coaching classes.
yeah,
So there no need to worry about that. There are many opening
okay,
for freshers nowadays. So we need to focus. We need to be focused and prepare well. If we start our preparation from earlier, from intermediate semesters, it will be very helpful. Like especially from ENC students, they will be confused whether to focus on core field or IT field.
yeah,
Like no need to worry. Even in software fields, they will be having many openings, and
okay.
our TPO is providing many opportunities for us. We just need to grab it and stay focused. So this is the message which I want to give to our juniors.
Yes, Rohan, I will ask one direct question. How Team Alpha
Yes.
activities helped you to crack mandatory?
Yes, Surat. The Team Alpha helped me a lot in communication skills because I was not a so good person in my communication skill in English.
Okay,
So even though I was good in academics and technical knowledge, but I was not knowing how to present myself. So
okay,
Team Alpha helped me in building my confidence, and we together worked a lot
yeah,
in a team and prepared for aptitude and conducted some coding sections, and
yeah,
even we got guidance from resource persons.
yeah.
Many resource persons have attended our alpha meetings.
Yes, Rohan, as you mentioned that Team Alpha is conducting various activities which are helpful for placements and all. Okay. Yes, Rohan, anything you want to tell to your juniors, you can. Okay.
uh, yeah, that we need to
Okay.
be focused in learning aptitude when we enter into the placement activities, and we should give some regular time for practice, because without practice we will be not be able to solve the problems. And we should also learn the verbal. We need to
Okay.
work on our communication, because should try to practice reading passages accurately in short
Yeah.
period of time. Why I said communication is, it is very important for us,
Yeah.
because when we know how to talk and frame a sentence, automatically we will be able to do well in solving the verbal questions. So
Yes.
in attending the placement activities, we need to start our practice before only.
Yes, Rohan. Dear students, take the maximum benefit of this video. When Mindtree is approaching your college, just go through this video and take a guidance from Mr. Rohan. Okay, we will be given the contact details of Mr. Rohan in the description. Okay, you can contact Mr. Rohan and you can take inputs from him and do well. According to Rohan, prepare well for aptitude and be confident and be ready with your basics. Okay, thank you, Rohan, for your valuable time. And it's a nice time with you, and we interacted regarding placement preparations and all. Thank you for the time.
Thank you, Surat.
Okay, bye bye guys. We will see you in next video.